Maruti Suzuki has planned to set up a new manufacturing facility in India with an investment of Rs 18,000 crore. This new facility will be located in Haryana and, according to sources, is said to span between 700 acres and 1,000 acres. The facility is expected to have a production capacity of between 7.5 lakh to 10 lakh units per year. Maruti Suzuki has cited that the existing Gurugram plant has been facing space constraints due to increased production in recent years. It is also said that due to rapid urbanization, the Gurugram plant is now surrounded by residential areas which further affect logistics. So to overcome this issue, the recently proposed state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is set to replace Maruti Suzuki's existing 300-acre manufacturing facility in Gurugram. Maruti Suzuki hopes to set up the new factory as soon as possible, but the pace has slowed down due to the ongoing pandemic. A manufacturing plant of such a scale is necessary for Maruti Suzuki in India, as the company is the largest automotive manufacturer in India by volume. It sits at the top of the sales charts and is ahead of its competition by quite a large margin. Despite having a budget-focused customer base and the ongoing pandemic, the Japanese car manufacturer still dominated the car manufacturing industry in the country. Demand for cars is expected to skyrocket in the future, and hence Maruti Suzuki is aiming at a new factory. Being the largest car manufacturer and the go-to brand for many first-time buyers in the country, the brand has created a foothold unparalleled by any other manufacturers. This new plant will be a boon to both Maruti Suzuki and its customers, as the latter will benefit from a reduced waiting period. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.